One of the first challenges new email marketers face is, how do I get subscribers? Check out this video for a couple of ways how to do just that. One way to collect subscribers is with a sign-up form that you put on your own website. Clicking on sign-up form, you can create one using our sign-up form builder. We have a bunch of different templates you can choose from, and then once you decide to load those templates, you'll be able to customize those by changing around color, adding a header text, changing around the button, and different things like that. If you don't have your own website, no problem. Aweber offers landing pages. You can choose from a bunch of different templates to create a landing page, and a lot of these landing pages already come with sign-up forms built in that you can then customize. Of course, with any of our landing pages that we offer, you can always add a sign-up form if there isn't one available. And finally, if you're collecting your subscribers offline, you can add subscribers under the Subscribers tab using the Import feature. This allows you to simply drop or browse and upload a file of your subscriber list directly into your Aweber account. Aweber offers great ways to collect subscribers and build your list. Try it out in your account today. Don't have an Aweber account yet? Don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.